In the sensational case involving actor Darshan, who has been accused of murdering a 33-year-old from Chitradurga, someone called Renuka Swami, who used to work in a pharmacy, and he allegedly murdered him because he was sending obscene texts to his partner and his girlfriend. Now, new details have emerged. The victim's post-mortem report is out. In fact, what has come to notice is that 15 injury marks have been found on the body of the victim. The injury marks are on the head, chest and abdomen areas of the body of the victim. The report also says that the victim's head was banged on a truck. So, actor Darshan case, very sensational details have emerged which show that the victim was assaulted physically horribly before he, of course, was killed. These are fresh CCTV visuals that have also emerged. The footage shows a car was used in the abduction of Renuka Swami, who was a 33-year-old from Chitradurga who was working in a pharmacy. When this victim was also a fan of this actor Darshan, a popular actor in Karnataka. Now, this actor and his partner are under arrest for allegations of murdering Renuka Swami, who allegedly sent obscene texts to Pavitra. I have my colleague joining us with more details on this. Radhika, tell us what is the fresh update on this case? Clearly, there are visuals that are coming out, but the post-mortem report, which basically says that the victim was physically assaulted horribly before he was killed, that is also quite sensational. Tell us, what is the update on this case?
Certainly sensational details, very, very brutal details coming out as far as this entire case is concerned. The victim, Renuka Swami, was allegedly very badly tortured and assaulted by not just Darshan but also his aides. In fact, there are 15 injury marks on his body as per post-mortem report, which is on his chest, on his legs, on his abdomen as well as on his head. Also being made to understand that his head was banged multiple times against a mini truck. This truck has been seized by the police, and several other materials, equipments and weapons used to torture him, used to assault him, such as wooden logs, leather belt and rope, have also been seized by the police. Post-mortem examination revealing that Renuka Swami died of shock and hemorrhage. So he was certainly brutally tortured, assaulted and beaten up for several hours in that particular shed by actor Darshan and his aides. This is what post-mortem report has revealed, and this is what the police have also told us. This point, several other evidence also coming to the fore, including CCTV evidence. There is a CCTV evidence showing the taxi used for the abduction, which was used to ferry Renuka Swami from Chitradurga all the way to Bengaluru. He was, of course, ferried in a taxi by this driver called Ravi, who has surrendered himself before the police. There were accused also in that particular car. There was a spot panchnama, in fact, that was done last night, a spot inquest that was done last night at Chitradurga, where one of the main accused, in fact, actually narrated the sequence of events to the police. He was asked by Darshan to bring the victim all the way to Bangalore, where he was assaulted. There are other CCTV footage also, which we were showing yesterday, whereby Darshan's car was also seen next to the spot of the incident, perhaps ferrying the body of the victim post his death, of course.